guys, let's see how you can basically install SSL certificate. Now, what is SSL certificate? So at very top you can see that this connection is secure. Okay, but if you will try to visit our website now, so it will show something like this, which is not secure. So guys, we have to make our website secure so that our visitors, when they come to this website, it will show lock. Okay, and it will not going to show not secure. So you just think, if you visit to some website and it will going to show not secure, so will you be able to stay in that website? No, of course you will going to leave that website. You will think that website is kind of fraud or something miscellaneous or something like XYZ. Okay, so that's the reason we have to install the SSL certificate. Make sure you guys just go to this SSL certificate option. Make sure you select let's encrypt. Put your email, whatever you have. Okay, that means same email address which for which you have created your CloudWays account, and then just put your domain name. So whatever domain name you have, so in my case my domain name is this one, that is kunalonari.xyz. So this is the domain and this is the email address, right? So I will now just click on this install certificate button. So it will going to start the process to install the SSL certificate. Okay, so it may take few minutes, maybe maximum 5 minutes, and it will going to install the SSL certificate for you guys. Okay, so let's wait, do not worry. Okay, come on Ben, be fast, be fast. So sometimes it takes time. So it's, guys, very important. So even if you will try to rank your website, so Google will only going to rank your website when your website will going to have this type of lock, and it says connection is secure. If your website will not going to have this, so what will going to happen? Google will not going to allow your website to get index in the search engine or some other search engines like Yahoo or Bing or any other search engines. So it's kind of very much important to have the SSL certificate installed to our CloudWays account. So still it's taking time, so let's wait, do not worry. Okay, and along with that, let's wait first of all it to get installed. So you can see that this SSL management is installed now, and this is installed completely, and it will expire on next year. That means it will expire on 21st August 2022. So do not worry, it is totally free. It will again renew for free, but make sure in auto renewable it should be enabled. So in case it is disabled, so make sure this setting should be set to always enable. Okay, oh my god, I shouldn't have to do it again, it will going to take that much of time. Okay, so make sure you guys just enable this. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell. So whenever this SSL will going to expire, automatically CloudWays team will going to renew sorry, SSL for you for free. That's it. Okay, and there's one more information which I want to give you. Just go to this application setting, and from the application setting just go here to this option of HTTP direction. Make sure it is enabled. Okay, if in case it is disabled, make sure you guys enable it. So what will going to happen? Basically, whenever someone will going to visit to the not secure site of yours, that is HTTP, so in that case a CloudWays team will automatically redirect them to your secure, that is HTTPS secure website. So that is kind of great thing. So make sure it is enabled. That's it, and this is the setting which you guys need to do. Again, just refresh your website. So sometimes it takes again time for you to get SSL installed, that means to SSL installed to your website or domain. But let's see how it looks. So you can see that now my website is showing connection is secure, and my domain name is showing this lock, right? So that is kind of amazing thing. and we have got our website secured. Okay,